When you're competing against every other marketer on the internet, your videos need an edge to convert. Video marketing is the way of the future, but pushing out more static content isn't going to motivate that many clicks. You need interactive video content that engages your audience and actually converts, without hiring an entire crew to get the job done. Introducing VidPowr. What is VidPowr? VidPowr supercharges your marketing with interactive video content designed to engage viewers, collect leads, and close sales. With VidPowr, you'll generate interactive videos to spice up engagement and click-through rates for coaching, and selling content. Design the video player along with your own stigmatization, customizable skins, and adjustable management buttons. Victimization: the constitutional editor. Alternative 2. Vidyard, Loom, and PressPlay 2. Take advantage of conditional calls to action and video branching to create personalized experiences. Best for marketers, course creators, and content creators who want to pump out hyper-engaging video marketing content. Create a powerful interactive video experience in minutes, all in one futuristic video platform. Personalize, add interactivity, sell, collect leads, secure, get insights, and more. VidPowr working simple, just 2 easy steps. Step number 1. Grab a video link. Simply copy and paste your YouTube, Vimeo, Oz, Google Drive, Dropbox, or third-party video link and let VidPowr do all the hard work for you. Step number 2. Transform and boost. Use VidPowr to customize and add interactive personalized user experience for maximum viewers experience and conversions. All in one solution. Use VidPowr's unparalleled interactive features to boost your marketing videos, get better engagements, book appointments, drive actions, collect leads, make sales, and more. Use your existing videos. It takes just seconds to fetch your existing videos from YouTube, Vimeo, Oz, VidTags, Google Drive, Dropbox, or any third-party MP4 video link and transform it with VidPowr. Create a conversational experience. VidPowr helps your business to maximize your customer engagement and render your video interactions based on the data you've already collected from them. Make sales or collect leads. Want to collect leads, pitch your offer, make shoppable videos, book appointments, or want your viewer to take action at any point? Then you need VidPowr for your marketing videos. Embed on your website. After giving super wings to your videos, copy the embed code and paste it on your website. VidPowr also supports custom CNAME branding of your video links and landing page. Protect, authenticate, and secure your videos. Okay, you have created video content that is sensitive and designed for specific audiences. Use VidPowr to secure and requires authentication to access. With VidPowr, you can generate interactive videos to boost engagement and click-through rates for training, coaching, and marketing content. Design the video player with your own branding, customizable skins, and adjustable control buttons using the built-in editor. You can fetch any existing video content, including live streams, from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and Google Drive. Plus, embedding videos is as easy as copy and paste. Even without tech skills, you'll be able to customize your CNAME branding for any URL, as well as integrate your own third-party tracking pixels. You can leverage conditional calls to action and video branching to create personalized video experiences that let viewers control the narrative. Translate your video content into multiple languages so you'll be able to attract a global audience. And with more than 40 dynamic features, VidPowr has everything you need to level up your marketing strategy in just a few minutes. You can use your videos to collect real-time audience feedback and make marketing decisions based on actionable insights. Just add video quizzes, polls, and free response questions to engage your viewers and figure out how they feel about your product or brand. Plus, you'll be able to require authentication for sensitive content or control access by region, so your videos are always secure and targeting the right audience. Add lead forms to collect customer info on the spot, and turn your videos into lead collection machines. Any new leads will automatically sync with your autoresponder, thanks to seamless integrations with over 20 platforms. You can also add shoppable features like product slideshows or buy buttons to convert leads into customers right then and there. VidPowr even makes it easy to organize your entire marketing library, as well as import multiple third-party videos onto a playlist in one click. With conditional logic, you can actually let your audience choose their own video marketing adventure. VidPowr is loaded with engaging elements to give any video content the ability to collect real-time feedback, convert new leads, and close more sales. Get lifetime access to VidPowr today. VidPowr plans and features. Deal terms and conditions. Lifetime access to VidPowr. All future platinum and agency plan updates. You must redeem your codes within 60 days of purchase. Stack up to 5 codes. GDPR compliant. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. VidPowr features included in all plans. Import videos from YouTube, Vimeo, Oz, Google Drive, Dropbox, or third-party video links. Video interactions. Full video analytics. Password-secure videos. Create shoppable videos. Unlimited visitors. Unlimited bandwidth. Appsumo offers 3 pricing plans. Pricing number 1. Single plans. One-time purchase of $69. All features above are included. 5,000 videos. 500 playlists. 5 team members. 3 custom domains. 10,000 collect leads, polls, and quizzes in the video. No VidPowr branding. Unlimited website embeds. Pricing number 2. Double plans. One-time purchase of $139. All features above are included. Unlimited videos. 2,000 playlists. 10 team members. 5 custom domains. 50,000 collect leads, polls, and quizzes in the video. No VidPowr branding. Unlimited website embeds. Agency branding. 10 reseller accounts. Pricing number 3. Multiple plans. One-time purchase of $207. All features above are included. Unlimited videos. 5,000 playlists. 25 team members. 10 custom domains. 100,000 collect leads, polls, and quizzes in the video. No VidPowr branding. Unlimited website embeds. Agency branding. 25 reseller accounts. So why are you late? Get VidPowr lifetime access today. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.